Bam! The late adopter. Hi guys, welcome to the channel, welcome to a new video, Bitcoin video today, first video of the day. Of course, we gotta know what's happening with Bitcoin to know what's gonna happen with our alts, right? That said, Bitcoin's right now minus 1%. There was a Binance scheduled maintenance last night, so there was a very little trading yesterday, very little trading. It looks like Binance is moving in the markets, man. That said, we're gonna see what's actually happening with Bitcoin right now. Let's get into the charts, enough chit chat, and make my face smaller charts bigger. That said, yesterday we had a big live stream, 3 hours live stream. A lot of people are watching that. We are also talking a lot about Bitcoin, and there was this 1 hourly chart where we had this very nice triangle pattern forming. And we were talking that this pattern is important, and we would preferably like to break on the upside out of this pattern. And as you can see here, it here is almost like breaking it out, but it's got back in. But now on the 1 hour chart, it looks like it wants to break out on the downside. So what's gonna happen here? That's what we're gonna talk about. This 1 hour chart, we're also gonna look at 4 hourly chart. That's important, but 1 hourly chart we're gonna look at. Let me just quickly, yeah, there is the same thing happening on the 1 hour chart. I'm gonna show you some interesting things that they actually might pull this on the downside. So this pattern is some kind of continuation pattern, because it's a triangle on in a downtrend, so probability should be on the downside. Now we have been very bearish lately, so there is a bigger probability to break on downside and upside just by looking at the pattern. That said, let's pop some moving averages, and we'll see actually what's gonna happen here. I don't think the 100 and 200 is helping us very much now, so we're gonna turn them on. So you can see here we are actually playing with the moving averages. We are below all the moving averages, and then right after the Binance opened trading, it went above all the moving averages, and now next candle we are dumping back down. This is very bearish. If we cannot stay on this candle, it's 7 minutes left, so probability is very high that we're gonna stand down here. Not only that, we're gonna get something called bearish engulfing candle. This is a Japanese candlestick, so this candle is engulfing entirety of candle. If this happens, it's also a bearish signal. So getting back down below the moving averages, getting this bearish candle, we are getting kind of bearish over here. Not only that, I'm going to show you more bearish news. So today is very bearish video, so you know, bear. That said, it's still 7 minutes left, so we don't actually know what's going to happen, but the probability is high that this is going to close somewhere down here. That said, let's look at also moving averages on the 4 hourly chart, how they are looking. And you can see here that yesterday around 10 we went back below the 10 moving average, and we have been steadily keeping below the 10 moving average. That's very bearish. So basically we failed to break the 10 moving average 2 times. So we tried first time to break in 10 moving average over here, and the second time over here. This is the 10 moving average, the white line. Both times we failed. We got rejected. We went above it, we just went back in. So 2 times. So we failed to break 2 times the 10 moving average on the 4 hourly chart. So this is very bearish. So we got this rejection of the 10 moving average. We got this bearish candle that's happening right now. We are below all the moving averages on the 1 hourly already. And the pattern is bearish. Pattern is very bearish, because this is symmetrical triangle in a downtrend, and it is some kind of continuation pattern that should break on the downside. So we're gonna look at it. Now there is also one more, I mean, there is just bearish news all over the place today. Bearish news all over the place. Right now there is something called a hidden bearish divergence. So basically, and this is happening both on the 1 hourly and 4 hourly chart. So this price is actually going down while RSI is going up. This is hidden bearish divergence. So it's hidden bearish because price is going down, the RSI should follow, but it goes up. This is hidden bearish divergence, and the price should follow. So this already played out in my book. This already played out. Will this continue or not? Depends. Now this also is actually true for 4 hourly chart, and I don't know if 4 hourly chart is played out or not, because even the 4 hourly chart price is going down, but RSI is going up. Hidden bearish divergence, so the price should follow fall down, and we're gonna see how if that's gonna be enough to push the price. So that's only the hidden bearish divergence is all enough to push the price back below the 10 moving average, right? That's why we are down there right now. But will we fall out of this triangle or not? It still kind of depends. Let's see if we can draw this triangle a little bit better, because I think this is correct triangle, because he did see here all of this, then this candle, this doji over here, try to keep the head above the waters, but this is a doji on the downside, and now on this candle we are actually breaking this triangle, this lower support. Still got 2 hours left on the 4-hourly chart, but if this stays, it's gonna be bad. Also, we want to watch this level down here at 49,200, because if we start breaking 49,200 on the 4-hourly chart, what's gonna happen then is you have a low and you have a lower low, and you don't want to have that, because that's a bearish signal as well. So all in all, a lot of bearish signal right now going on Bitcoin chart. Small time frames. Keep in mind this morning we be just looking at 1-hourly and 4-hourly time frames, so they are small time frames. So how big a drop can we actually expect? I would expect something, if we break out down here, that we are at least gonna go to 7,002. If we do that, we're gonna go down to 47,300, give or take. Let's make like yeah, 47,300, around there, give or take. And if we do that, that means that we broke this 47,982, and that can actually put us further down. So breaking out of this, even though if it's a small triangle on the 1-hourly and 4-hourly chart, breaking down out of that will actually can actually put us below this bottom down here, and if that happens, then we might actually go all the way down where our previous targets were. I don't know if you've been following previous videos, Bitcoin videos, but it's around, what is it? It was around the 43. Let's just give it around 43 to 45,000. Yeah, somewhere there, right? So that's actually where the zone everybody's looking at. I made previous videos on that. That's our zone. Will this actually happen or not? Depends. I also made an argument yesterday on the stream that we are actually sitting all the way down at 30 RSI on the daily chart, which is very low. So whether we are gonna get one less dip or not, or something like that, depends. But to me, this looks like some kind of a real bottoming phase right now. I think we have dumped enough. I think even over here we should be able to turn the cards and go up. But right now the small time frames, it looks kind of bearish. Will this keep on or not? Depends. So the only time I'm gonna start being bullish or looking forward, it's when we break this 20 moving average. Let's hold this red line. Once we break the red line and can hold the red line, then I'm gonna start being bullish, and I'm gonna start saying that we have some kind of reversal. But until then, like no. Until then, no, because we tried to break the 20 moving average. When we started here, first rejection came here, second rejection, third rejection, fourth rejection. Now we are not even close. We are not even testing. I was actually hoping we're gonna test the 20 moving average, but we just got above the 10 moving average and start falling down. So until this 20 moving average on the daily, on the 4-hourly chart gets broken, I think we have a little bit more to go before we actually become bullish. But right now, in these short time frames for today, for your alts sake, that's why I'm saying this video is very important to know, to follow. Subscribe to the channel to follow, because we do daily Bitcoin videos. It's because you can see. So for your alts held today, I'm not saying this is gonna go down, but probability that this might go down, and if it might go down, we might actually hit this 47 target down here, because I don't see that much bullishness. 25 seconds left over here on this candle over here, so I'm really interested to see what's gonna happen. Maybe my lines are actually kind of off. Let's try to draw a better line on this chart over here and see if we can get some better numbers. Something like this. Maybe this is holding it. Maybe this is holding inside the triangle. Maybe this is a better chart on the 1-hourly. So we got still 3 seconds left. Let's see how this is gonna close. and it closed down there. This was a bearish candle right over here, starting already in the red. We're gonna see how it's gonna, but we are back below all the moving averages, and that's very bearish. So this was actually a rejection of the moving averages, or to try to break on moving. So entirety of this move over here for these past 2 hours is a rejection, and now we might actually try to go back for one last time. If we get rejection on this candle over here as well, then we might see some kind of real dumping. We might also just continue dumping right over here, but if we go up and we cannot break the moving averages, that basically is saying like, yeah, bulls don't have any chance over here. We are going to continue down, because these averages on the 1 hourly chart are just got rejected once. This is also a rejection of the averages, right? Here we managed to break the moving averages, but here we got rejected, here we got rejected, and I don't know how many times bulls are going to try to break this level on the 1 hourly chart. But right now we are looking like we are going to get rejected on the downside. So all in all, really bearish news for Bitcoin right now. Short term. Already tomorrow this might change, but short term, I think I'm bearish. So I'm sorry about that. Subscribe to the channel. Maybe there are gonna be some good news. There are some links below, Telegram links and stuff like that. Telegram links is very important. You know, we got like 1,700 members, so that's the only place where you're gonna get notification for Bitcoin videos. Bitcoin videos go on YouTube without notification. So if you wanna get notified when I post Bitcoin videos, get to the Telegram channel. That said, also there is a Patreon link if you wanna know what coins are good and what coins are bad. That said, thanks for watching. See you around. Bye bye.